Hey, it's Gina from WTI. No, this isn't a satchel or laptop bag that I'm carrying. This is a really huge travel duffel. I am so impressed with a lot of the different features that this Hafmall travel duffel has. Number one, it's foldable. Look how tiny this folds into. I can actually just fit it right into my bookshelf. Even though this 100-liter bag folds into the size of a large book, it can hold up to 7 days or more worth of clothing. I packed all of my husband's heavy jeans, t-shirts, and everything else that he would need to be gone for 7 days, and there was still room inside. But one of the things that I absolutely love about this is that it has a compartment for shoes. I hate it when you pack your shoes in with your clothes and it gets them all dirty and grimy. We live on a farm and my husband is a chimney sweep, so his work boots are pretty gross. But you can see that the shoe compartment was big enough for his heavy work boots, and I could have fit in a couple other pairs as well. I even put my tall boots in so that you could see really how big it is. It was easy to fold up and zip back up into its collapsible form. I thought that might be difficult, but actually it was really quite easy. My husband and I are both so happy with this duffel. It's exceeded our expectations, and that's my point of view.